What up, world? It's Dana Harris again, and I'm making math cool again. Talking about the law of cosines. Now, in this particular example, we're going to show you how to find the measure of an angle using the law of cosines. So the formulas are slightly different. It's a different variation of the original formula for the law of cosines, but let's go ahead and get into it. As you can see across the top of the board, if we're trying to find the measure of angle A, I can say that the cosine of A is equal to B squared plus C squared minus A squared over 2BC. Remember, A, B, and C in this case represent side lengths. This A represents angle A. Here in the middle we have the cosine of angle B is equal to A squared plus C squared minus B squared over 2AC. And then we have, if we're trying to find the measure of angle C, the cosine of C is equal to A squared plus B squared minus C squared over 2AB. Now, we have this example. Notice there are three side lengths given to this triangle, okay? And we're trying to find the measure of angle A, all right? So we're going to actually use this particular version using the cosine of A. So we're going to say that the cosine of angle A is equal to B squared. Now, side B is across from angle B. So this is B in this case. So we have 9 squared plus C is 6, okay, minus A squared. So 14 squared all over 2 times 9 times 6, okay? When we do that, we do the math on top, we actually get negative 79 over 108, okay? So this tells me that the cosine of angle A is equal to, if I simplify negative 79 over 108, I'm going to actually get negative 7,315 10,000ths, okay? So 0.7315, okay? Then we have to use the cosine inverse function in your calculator. Make sure that your calculator is in degree mode, okay? So when I put in the cosine inverse of angle A is equal to negative 0.7315. When I put in that cosine inverse function to my calculator, it's going to tell me that angle A is equal to 137 degrees. Okay? 137 degrees is the measure of angle A. And we just use a variation of the law of cosines to find an angle measure. Okay? In this case, we can find any one of these angle measures, but based upon if we want to find angle B, we use this particular version of the formula. If we want to find angle C, we use this particular version of the formula. All right? Young Gurus Math Tutoring. I got the solution to your math problems.